Best deals.
1. Dokla Maker. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel for long life, strength, and resistance to rust or dents. The polished mirror finish adds an elegant, premium touch to any kitchen. Smart lifter tool included for effortless plate removal. Comes with a premium lifter tool to safely lift hot plates without touching metal. Prevents burns, spills, and discomfort. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tadka Pan. With a 5 cm deep body, this tadka pan is ideal for frying spices, dal, and more, offering versatile cooking options. The integrally formed body ensures durability and resistance to deformation. Scratch-resistant surface ensures longevity, while its induction base makes it compatible with both gas stoves and induction cooktops. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass jars. Suit the best when it comes to organizing spices and other food items in a presentable and beautiful manner. Glass containers are important in every kitchen as you need to preserve dry as well as food items like pickles to keep them safe from moisture, dust. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg whisk. Made from sturdy stainless steel, hollow handle, constructed for durability, reliability, and sleek professional style, food safe standard. Ergonomically designed for excellent balance and control for a difference you can really feel in the hand. Light in weight and the stainless steel ends allow easy hanging on any hook in your kitchen. This whisk has a semi-automatic function. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Coconut scraper and citrus juicer. Easily switch between coconut scraping and citrus juicing with one versatile appliance. Attach the spill tray and your chosen attachment to the 2-in-1 coconut scraper and citrus juicer, select the speed, and press the soft touch button to kickstart the appliance for swift and effective scraping or juicing. 200W high-torque copper motor ensures efficient and powerful operation, making quick work of coconut scraping and citrus juicing tasks. Tailor the speed to your specific needs, whether you are scraping coconut or juicing citrus fruits. Specially designed citrus press cone, optimized for maximum juice extraction, making it easier to prepare fresh juices. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Lunch box. The premium polished containers add a touch of elegance to your lunch box. Containers come with an easy opening BPA-free lid. Containers do not retain flavors or scents, so you can use them over and over again. Each container comes with a partition to arrange multiple food items in an appropriate proportion for you. The partitions do not let different foods to touch and get messy in the containers. The containers are dishwasher safe. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Popsicle mold. Each pack holds 4 molds, each mold holds about 70 milliliters liquid. The molds placed into the boxes for all can easily be transported to the freezer. Entire set stores nicely without taking up a lot of cabinet space in the freezer. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Toilet brush. Made with thermoplastic rubber bristles that's tough on grime but gentle on ceramic surfaces. Ventilation holes in the holder allow air circulation for faster drying and to prevent odors. Ergonomically designed for a secure, comfortable hold that makes scrubbing effortless. The detachable drip tray in the holder prevents water buildup. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. The modern design features an anti-skid base, transparent airtight lids perfect for storing food and serving. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Knife sharpener. Boasts a suction force twice as strong as similar products, ensuring exceptional stability and safety during the sharpening process. Perfectly meets all your sharpening needs. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cookware. Featuring charming peach color and durable granite finish coating. Granite coating does not allow food to stick on its non-stick surface. Perfect match of durability and performance with easy low-fat cooking, has even heat distribution and excellent heat retention. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass jar. Constructed from sturdy soda glass with a temperature resistance range of -10 to 80 degrees Celsius, these containers can withstand daily use in the kitchen or pantry. Suitable for storing cut fruits, jams, nuts, snacks and more, these BPA-free containers are safe for long-term food storage and microwave reheating. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Shelves. A wide single towel bar, napkin holder is perfect for hanging hand towels or face towels, could be set up in kitchen, bathroom or living room. Easy installation, waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. These handy bathroom shelves and racks are ideal for installation in wet places on account of its plastic build and super efficient sticker. Its stylish look and spacious build enhances the utility of your space. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Mop. Switch in just 1 second with a light press on the handle. The innovative shark tooth clamp ensures secure holding of any cloth or tissue, offering unmatched convenience for fast, no-fuss cleaning. Compatible with dusting paper, wet wipes, old clothes, and rags, this mop adapts to various tasks like removing water stains, wiping oil spills, or dusting furniture. The mop's 360 degrees rotating carriage allows seamless cleaning in hard-to-reach places, while the ultra-thin head easily slides into narrow gaps. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Closet Organizer. Made from heavy 80 GSM non-woven fabric plus engineered wood inside to retain its shape and collapsible when not in use. Save and create more space in your wardrobe by arranging your clothes systematically. Easily stacked one on top of other, magically creating more space. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Pan. This cookware comes with a lid which helps in fast cooking and capacity of this handy is 2.5 liters. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Basket. With its compact design, this basket fits seamlessly into closets, shelves, or under beds. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Gas stove. Strong and long-lasting rust-free steel finish, built for every kitchens. ISI certified safety, ensures safe, reliable performance with sturdy pan supports and ergonomic knobs. Smooth stainless steel surface makes cleaning quick and hassle-free. Enjoy complete peace of mind with hassle-free cooking experience every time. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sink Caddy is the perfect sink organizer, offering convenient storage and easy access to your kitchen sink accessories for a tidier workspace. Helps keep your sink accessories tidy, making it a must-have among new house essentials, while the kitchen sink caddy adds extra convenience. Sink combine functionality with style, elevate your space with kitchen decor items stylish enough to complement any modern kitchen. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Popsicle mold. Made of high-quality food-grade materials, non-toxic, tasteless, safe to use. It is easy to clean with tap water and can be reused. Easy to remove, inject warm water, wait a few minutes to easily remove the ice cream. 8 grids design can meet different tastes. Self-made ice cream will not add pigment, making it healthier for your family. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Toaster. Features 2 independent control areas, allowing you to choose different levels of crispness for different tastes at the same time. Designed to handle 4 slices at once, making it the ideal companion for busy mornings and family breakfasts. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Sink Drain. The frame can rotate 90 degrees, doubling as a convenient towel rack. This smart design maximizes space utilization without cluttering your kitchen. With a suction cup included at the base, you have the freedom to move and reposition the strainer as needed. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopping Board Set. The stand holds each board apart, allowing air to circulate for even drying, and includes non-slip feet on the base. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Brush. Is made of flexible bristles. The bristles are arranged in round brush head, which makes the bush to be used effectively on larger surface and rub in circular motion. By making it circular, the bristles long last. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Crinkle knife. Crafted with a stainless steel edge, this crinkle cutter knife supports daily slicing. Use this zigzag knife for kitchen needs such as preparing onions, carrots, or other firm vegetables and fruits. This wavy knife adds texture to salads, while the crinkle knife for kitchen assists with uniform slicing. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Divider. Made from high-quality, powder-coated metal, these dividers are built to last, providing a sturdy and reliable partition. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Water dispenser. The foldable design reduces the contact between the water pump outlet and dust, pests and pet germs, making it clean and hygienic, and more reassuring when drinking water. With the powerful motor, water dispenser pump delivers instant and fresh flow. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Magnetic spice rack. Is made of metal coating, providing durability and an attractive look for any kitchen. Its unique shape is carefully designed to hang elegantly on the side of the fridge rack, providing a neat and easy way to store all your spices and seasonings, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Stove rack. It can also perfectly balance the small pot or pan. Gas burner for wok. Gas ring reducer sits securely on the stove top to support smaller items, is very strong and can be used for many years. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Cleaner. Removes rust, lime scale, and hard water stains effectively. Ideal for restoring shine to bathroom fixtures. Safe for taps, shower heads, tiles, and more. Versatile cleaning solution for your entire bathroom. Prevents clogs by breaking down buildup in drains. Keeps water flowing smoothly and efficiently. 500 ml bottle is easy to handle and store. Perfect for regular cleaning and maintenance. Simple application for quick results. Makes bathroom cleaning hassle-free and efficient. It's about ensuring your bathroom remains a pristine sanctuary where you can relax and rejuvenate. With our meticulous attention to detail and effective cleaning solutions, we promise to maintain a fresh and inviting bathroom space that you can always count on. Spray the cleaner directly onto the tap or shower surface. Rinse thoroughly with water to remove the cleaner and loosen dirt. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Coffee maker. Transform instant coffee disappointment into aromatic French press richness or steep premium Darjeeling into golden perfection. Watch through crystal clear glass as coffee blooms or chamomile flowers unfurl, capturing precious oils and antioxidants lost in instant versions, delivering authentic coffeehouse experience and tea garden freshness in just 3 to 4 minutes. Premium borosilicate glass withstands boiling water without cracking, plus 304 stainless steel infuser that won't rust or leach, plus ultra fine steel mesh plunger for pure extraction, plus cool touch glass handle protects hurried hands, plus eco-friendly bamboo lid ensures zero plastic touches your beverages, compromise on your family's health. Every component chosen to be as pure as a mother's love. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Food processor. Combines the power of 6 essential kitchen tools into one compact device. Use it as a blender, juicer, atta kneader, vegetable slicer, chopper, and dry grinder. Whether you are preparing smoothies, kneading dough, chopping veggies, or grinding spices, this all-in-one appliance does it all with professional precision, making it the ultimate companion for every home chef. With its robust 800-watt copper motor, the Easy Prep tackles everything from soft fruits to tough dough effortlessly. Designed for long-lasting durability, the motor ensures high-speed processing and consistent output. Whether you're whisking, slicing, or grinding, this processor delivers powerful and efficient performance every time. Built-in overheat safety protection ensures the device automatically shuts off if it gets too hot, adding an extra layer of safety. 7 specialized attachments for precision cooking. Get perfect results with a wide range of interchangeable blades and tools, including slicing disc, French fries blade, shredding, chopping blade, atta kneading, whisking and 1.4L processing bowl. Every attachment is engineered for accuracy and convenience, making meal prep faster and more enjoyable. 2-speed control with pulse function for total flexibility. Take full control of your recipes with 2-speed settings and a pulse mode. Use low speed for soft ingredients like dough or creams, high speed for tougher items like nuts or carrots, and pulse mode for quick bursts of power, perfect for tasks like precision chopping or mixing. This food processor combines performance with aesthetics. The sleek black housing, ergonomic control knob, and sturdy construction reflect modern style and reliable build quality. Its compact size ensures it fits easily in most kitchens, while still offering high capacity and power. Product link is given in the 30-second link. 33. Grill for gas stove. Made of high-grade stainless steel materials and high-quality mesh wire, and easy to clean, intelligently designed to make the best out of the product, the grill has an attached wide hole in the handle for hanging purposes when not in use. Besides, it also helps the sieve stay hooked, pot safely, thereby preventing it from falling in. Items features a sturdy outer mirror finished, broad-rimmed structure that won't corrode or bend, ensuring long-term usage. The plastic part in the handle is retained tightly to prevent from falling. Product link is given in the 33rd link.